When challenging projects arise in the Bay Area, customers recognize Bigge as the top solution for lifts requiring the highest degree of technical expertise. This was evident on a one-day job in downtown Oakland. Our customer, a Bay Area HVAC contractor, was tasked with replacing cooling towers atop the Elihu California State Office building. The eventual replacement of 3 units began with the removal of a cooling tower weighing 22,000 pounds. With a roof height of 330 feet and placement of the existing equipment 40 feet from the building edge, Bigge dispatched a Liebherr LTM1400 from our Northern California fleet to perform the lift. This all-terrain crane, part of Bigge's perfect fleet, has a maximum capacity of 500 tons and a maximum boom and jib combined length exceeding 400 feet, making it ideally suited to efficiently move and replace the cooling towers. Very pleased with the outcome, our customer had this to say.
We knew that Bigge would be a great fit for this job. The representative made an outstanding impression when they met with our team. The lift plan was solid and executed without a hitch.
Contact Bigge to learn more.